Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale local SEO with Yelp, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Yelp business account if you haven't already. Visit the Yelp for Business page and sign up with your business details. Claim your business listing to gain control over the information displayed. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number, or NAP, are accurate and consistent. Upload high-quality images that represent your business, products, and services. Add a comprehensive description that highlights what makes your business unique. Select the most relevant business categories to improve search visibility. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your listing. Respond promptly and professionally to all reviews, both positive and negative. Use Yelp's advertising tools to reach a larger audience and enhance visibility. Take advantage of Yelp's features like messaging and booking tools to engage clients directly. Regularly update your listing to reflect any changes in hours, services, or offerings. Promote your Yelp page on your website and social media platforms. Monitor your listing's analytics to track visitor engagement and review patterns. Implement feedback from customer reviews to improve your services or offerings. Stay active on the platform by sharing updates and special promotions. Consider creating Yelp events or offers to attract more customers and reviews. Leverage Yelp's integration with other social media and marketing tools to expand reach. Use local keywords in your description and responses to improve SEO relevance. Remember that consistency in your NAP across all online platforms enhances. Continuously evaluate and adjust your Yelp strategy based on performance and competition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.